All right, in this section, we're going to show you how to remove the brake calipers off the wheel. That's the next step. Once you get these off, you can go ahead and remove the axle and everything you need to get the wheel out. But for now, this will free up the brake rotors, because this is actually how the whole thing works. You know, the fluid from here gets squeezed by the front brake, and it pinches this rotor. So that's the whole, this is all your life, you know. On a motorcycle, that's 80% of your stopping, so this is the most important thing on a bike. So I'm just going to go right here. Get these bolts loose. Now I normally just loosen the bolt just enough to where it pops in and out, but I leave it in the caliper. That way it doesn't get lost, and it makes for easier installation later. So that one's freed up. And I'll just grab a towel. And this should just slide right off. Just like that. And I'll just take the towel, wrap it around it, just like that. And this will protect it from hitting the wheel while we take the wheel off. And then on the other side, you're just going to repeat the same step we did. Just take the two bolts out. After you get the caliper off, just wrap it in a towel. And you're done, ready to go on to the next step.